Welcome! In front of me I have Cubot X20 and today I will show you how you can create folders on your home screen. So at the first, you have to simply drag one of the applications, so for example Google Duo, and then put it on another one, for example on Google. After that the folder will be open, so it's right here. When you tap on it once, you can change the name of that folder by tapping on the unnamed folder. Click on this marker to confirm. When you tap outside, you will close that folder and you can move it like any other icon, for example for another screen. When you open it, you can open apps, and if you want to add additional icons, for example camera or maybe Google Chrome, just do the same. After that you can click and hold it, click and hold and then remove. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.